Perhaps you've seen the fish symbol on car bumper stickers, book covers, and many other places as an allusion to Christianity. But do you know the origin of this symbol and how it became an icon of early Christianity, even to this day? It's worth noting that ancient Greeks, Romans, and other pagan people used fish symbols long before Christians. However, the fish symbol quickly became associated with Christianity, especially as a secret symbol that served a near-perfect purpose among persecuted Christians. Although Christians of the 1st and 2nd centuries used many symbols, the fish symbol is possibly the most important. It was first mentioned by Clement of Alexandria around AD 150. He curiously recommended to his readers to have seals engraved with the fish or the dove, although he didn't clarify the reason for this recommendation. This suggests that believers had a clear understanding of the meaning of these symbols, making an explanation unnecessary. But what does the fish symbol mean? There are several theories about its significance for early Christians. One theory suggests that the fish symbol's popularity among early Christians was due to an acrostic composed of the initial letters of 5 Greek words that spell fish, representing the character of Jesus Christ, Son of God and Savior. This mention may have originated in Alexandria as a protest against the cult of emperors during the reign of Emperor Domitian, AD 81-96, who fiercely persecuted Christians. Coins from that period read TITW, which translates to Son of God. Tertullian, another early church father, also made an interesting reference to the fish symbol, describing Christians as little fishes, reflecting their baptism. However, perhaps the most interesting story among early Christians is the tradition that when a Christian encountered a stranger on the road, the Christian would sometimes draw a simple fish outline in the dirt. If the stranger drew the other arc, both believers knew they were in good company. Although other Christian symbols like the dove and anchor were popular, the fish symbol was almost always present alongside them. The places, locations, or objects where it appeared from the 1st to the 4th century included paintings, sculptures, rings, seals, and pottery. After the 4th century, the fish symbol gradually disappeared. While it's true that the symbol was used in the pagan world, early Christians succeeded in transforming an already powerful symbol to communicate and express their faith in a highly dangerous environment.